I noticed that when you verbalize things,
Right.
it kind of gives them like more of a solidity. I don't
Mhm.
know how else to put it, but it's when you have a thought and you say it
Right.
and you document it, it's very powerful.
Yeah. Yeah, I also feel it as well. Like it's like pretty much like a powerful move, to be honest.
Yeah, creating content in general, I think is, a big challenge
Yeah, definitely.
and being innovative. It can be, one of the biggest challenges of creating an online course when there's so everybody's online, right?
Yeah.
So you have to figure out how to make your content original from other content. And I think that's where really a lot of brainstorming and thinking is necessary.
Yeah. Because you don't want to I just really wanna like there's times where I feel like there's a lot of things that's going on in your head and that you just got to like release it, and that's what I think I'm doing whenever I do the voice recording kind of a thing. And yeah, it kind of makes sense to me to like each individual got to have their own way of like coping with this whole balance kind of a thing. And yeah, it makes sense for me to like always like not always like to keep on be hard on things. There's got to be like times where you got to like recover and have this downtime, and I love that.
Yeah, it's very true about what you said about recovering. Like, if you are constantly in that work mode and you don't give yourself some time to take a break and
Yeah,
recharge, you're gonna get so exhausted and it's gonna show through your work, like you said. And I think it's really great that you record, your thoughts on those things because it's also, like you said, it's like a release. And that's also great for your mind because you got it out of your system.
I love that, to be honest. So with that, I think I have fun like chatting with you. Like we get into like some deep thoughts, and yeah, like I love